Hello mga outs, come spend a day with us here in Prague, day 2. Hala, nag-snow siya, kahapon wala. Kaloka. Kung malamig kahapon, mami, mas lumamig today. So maghanap tayo ng coffee shop, opo. This is the front of Church of Teen. Oh my God. Wow. Souvenir handmade. Of course, mahal yan, man. Kasi syempre, bago tayo mag-travel, they said it's much more expensive. Yung mga souvenirs nearby sa may Old Town. So for today's itinerary, guys, the Charles Bridge, head of Kafka ba yan? Yung umiikot siya. The dancing house or dancing building? Dancing Queen? Kung ano pang madaanan mga me. Yes. So mga Mina, here's the astronomical clock of Prague. Binalikan namin siya today, in our second day, kasi ang daming oats kahapon. Tao. So ngayon, binalikan namin siya alone. Power! So we follow this alley. Kasi ang daming tourists na nandito. So maybe, that's what's right there. The chimney cake. Later, we're gonna try the chimney cake.
You know, if my mom is here, she buy that.
So this is the market for souvenirs. It's a €3 guys for yung mga keychains.
Why I think we are
Not
in the
bad. Souvenir shop again.
treaty for my father.
Yeah, sure.
It's only €1.
Ang cute niya, mami. How much is this? 150 check karon. Nakabili na kasi kami yesterday para dun sa may aming fridge. And then I am rooting for yung music box, may happy birthday na song. So they only accept cash. So card kasi kanya. There's more here. Ang lamig.
Like it's only €1, but I, it's only
So I checked some souvenirs here, like a nail cutters here. It's here. It's so pretty. Ang dami, hindi ako makapili. Sa mga mami, nauna yung souvenirs ulit. So we're gonna get some coffee na talaga. Ano na ako. Alfredo Espresso coffee. So, tara magkape. Let's go. Yes, for me. Yeah. So we're here now having our coffee. And guys, it's snowing. Yeah, it's snowing. So we're going now to Franz Kafka, the rotating statue, the rotating head statue. Like okay, I saw it. And I interrupt him. Oh, it's there, mga mi. What is it?
after.
We're now in Franz Kafka. We are now, guys, in Franz Kafka. Some pictures from
But
this.
it's not rotating.
They said that it's rotating every 15 minutes. So mga dear, we're done here now in Kafka's Rotating Head. So we're heading now next to a dancing house. Ayun siya. The navigator. Tara! Sobrang lamig, me. Bumili kami ng gloves. Ayan. Sobrang lamig. So mga dear, we're here now in the dancing house. Ang haba ng walk namin, mga mi. Saan ang gagawin? Mag-pictorial kami. Opo. Why sa ba? Go, walk more. So we're heading now to Charles Bridge. There. What, I don't see anything.
Because it is 3 euros.
So yeah, guys, in Charles Bridge. It's 12 p.m. Ang daming mga oats. They say that if touches dog, yung statue guys, is it brings luck. So tara, hawakan natin siya.
Just tell me now. 희미한 감정 속에서 내가 한 발자국 그걸 넘어가볼까 솔직히 감이 안 잡혀. Just tell me 넌 같은 생각 있는지.
This is the overlooking view of Prague. Nakakapagod and we're hungry. Naghanap pa kami ng makakain. So we are lost in a state of Prague. Ang hirap maghanap dito ng mga Asian restaurant. Nag-cross kami ng Bridge of Charles Bridge. And nandun pala halos lahat ng mga Asian food. Ako naman kasi I want to try yung Czech cuisine. But siya gusto niya ng Asian. Ewan ko ba. Gusto niya may rice, man. Find that Pinoy store and I really want to have it.
Like your flag is same picture.
Yes, but it's kind of different because we have touch of yellow. Yellow! We find the Asian food restaurant kasi yan ang gusto niya. Nakakalaw ka. Ang dami naming walk-ins there. Close yung restaurant! So maybe it's Asian food is not for us today. So let's check another. So guys, we find a Asian food kasi nga nagkikrave siya sa rice. And we find here the Vietnamese food. He's craving for rice. Like, he's saying, finally. Yes. Why? Why do you want? Because he really wants rice. So just pray that it's open, yo. Here. So guys, we end up here in a Vietnamese store. Kasi nagkikrave siya sa rice. Craving for rice. Let's eat. Mga mami, kung kailan pa uwi na kami at saka naman araw ng gani Ito na lang guys. See you in my next video.